Good morning. Today is a storm alert weather day, all due to this system that is to the west of us right now. It's approaching the Mississippi River, and we're just beginning to see the storms that are going to affect our area later this morning, developing and blossoming up in Louisiana. You can see that right there, some of those lightning bolts, some of those flashing boxes now extending into Mississippi. So the activity that's ongoing, that you see that severe thunderstorm watch, all these flashing boxes up into Kentucky, that's going to go to the northeast. That's missing us. What we're going to be eyeing is this development over the next couple of hours from Louisiana into Mississippi. That's the line that's going to reach our area later this morning. And we can really see it well on cloud cover map of how it is blossoming up. That's that plume of clouds. That means that storm is growing. We have colder cloud tops that are growing with it, reaching higher in the sky, indicating stronger storms. So right now here locally, we don't have any rainfall, but we do have those clouds draped across our entire area. Do expect that rain, though, to make it to us. So when we're talking about our rain chances, it's up to already 100% for the day today. Again, a few showers may start up earlier this morning, but the window of time that we have that concern for strong to severe storms will be from about 10 a.m. till 5 p.m. from west to east. All due to that cold front, much colder air behind it, which means then tomorrow we're going to be talking about snow showers in the higher elevations. So 2 very active weather days ahead. You do get to dry out during the weekend before more rain returns by Monday night into Tuesday morning. But let's focus on the severe risk for the day today. That's what's right at hand, and it's going to cause the greatest concern during your daytime today. So here's the damaging wind risk map. Again, I showed you that kind of full picture map. This is the one talking about the different types of threats. The area that was at that level 3 enhanced risk in Georgia, that's where you're seeing this red, that 30% probability of having those severe level damaging wind gusts. That's going to be those severe thunderstorm warnings with the 60-mile-per-hour winds going with it. 15% here and 5% up to the top. All right, let's look at our next probability. This is the tornado risk. If you remember yesterday, the tornado risk map was at 2%. Now we're seeing a lot of our area at that 5%, which sounds really low, but when we're talking about a tornado, you certainly need to be aware of that because that damage can happen very quickly as it comes down. So again, have ways to receive those weather warnings and notifications. Hail risk, this is a little bit different. Looks like we will have enough energy in our atmosphere to lift up those hailstones, keep them going instead of being small hail. We do have that chance for large hail today as well. So all 3 of those kind of severe criteria that we focus on, wind, tornado, hail, on the table potentially for the day today. So let's time it out for you. So again, we may start to see a few showers 8, 9 a.m. That's what's showing up here on Futurecast, but really 10 a.m. onward, that's what we're watching at for that main line to come through. Here you can see a few of those cells pushing out ahead of the line. Here comes that main line. Some of the strongest storms in the Chattanooga, Cleveland area from about noon to 3 p.m. Dalton from about 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock pushing through, and you can see that moving through. Again, damaging wind gusts can be possible at this. Also some really heavy rainfall. And then by the time we get to Cherokee County, still ongoing at about 4 o'clock, but that risk for severe weather out of here by about 5 p.m. In fact, when we look at 6 o'clock, you're going to see a little bit of a break here. You may have a slight window that you can see some blue sky and sunshine before wrapping around on the backside. Clouds curl up once again, a few rain showers this evening, and then as that colder air comes in, that's going to translate over into, yes, the blue on the map, that's going to be snow. Now, this is mainly what we call a northwest snow event. So that means the wind coming from the northwest, it really elevates those totals, especially across the eastern mountains up into the Smoky Mountains. But even here in our local area, Cumberland Plateau, the mountains to the east, we're certainly going to have the potential for snow from Friday morning all the way through until Saturday morning. And then finally, those clouds are going to clear out, allowing for sunshine by Saturday at lunchtime and through into your afternoon. Now, total rainfall with this event, about 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. So those rain totals have also increased as we're looking ahead to today. I'll have the snowfall map as the morning goes on, but I really wanted to focus on that severe risk for today first. Temperatures right now, again, very mild across the area, 60 in Chattanooga, 58 in Cleveland, and 58 currently in Dalton. We're looking at highs today in the low to mid 60s. I think we'll top out at 67 here in the Scenic City. Again, just make sure you have ways to stay alert. It's kind of a good news, bad news situation. The good news, it's not at nighttime. You don't have to worry about something while you're sleeping, but the bad news, because it is during the day, more people are going to be out and about. So if you are going to be driving, running errands, maybe just check the radar before you go out, so that way we can keep people safe on the roads too.
Yeah.